How fulfilling naman na ikaw na rin yung natira dun sa World Cup na naglaro yung 2018 dito sa Pilipinas.
Fulfilling siguro from what's the result before ang layo ng differences. So, sobra siya for me, sobrang fulfilling kasi ayun, from mababa, na kaya namin makipagsabayan na sa mga sa Asia and sa World Cup. And based on my experience, syempre, hindi mo na isipin na malakas ba or malaki yung kalaban mo. Basta, give your best, ilaban mo yung country. Kahit sabi ko ang tatlo, kahit may pagbasagan mo, may pagsutukan na. Sa laki ba naman ang kalaban, di ba? Gagawin mo lahat para lang ma-stop yung scoring or sa defense nila or makashoot man lang kahit sa mga malalaking kalaban. So para sa akin, thankful ako kasi bigyan ako ng opportunity na to represent yung country and to make history for our country, and yung tiwala na nakuha ko sa kanila. Dumating ako sa point na ayoko na, napagod na ako, and then laging yun sinasabi na parang I deserve na maging part na to represent the country to make history, yun sabi ni Coach Ryan. And siguro para sa akin, naging motivation siya. And for the people supporting me all throughout, nagpapasalamat ako. And syempre sa tiwalang binigay nila sa akin, kay Coach Antong, kay Bosili, and also sa mga teammates ko na lagi ako inaasar na trentahin na ako. Hindi mo nalatag yan. Bawi-bawi ka na. Siyempre, sobrang laking bagay. And feeling din siguro yung usapan para sa akin. Kahit may Romania, di ba? So,
Manong Edmond.
Hello, good afternoon ma'am. Edmond, pangilinan ako ng CCNTV. May tanong lang ako kay Ma'am Erica. Ma'am, naging viral yung yung may finest pick daw, yung mga naturalized players, is coming Nagoya, Japan, September 19 to October 4. Pwede bang kumuha lang ako ng pointers kung paano? Anong message po rito?
Kung anong take niya dun sa mga naturalized players na papadala natin, yung umabot sa Senate? Opo, Elizabeth Beans.
Yung Asian Games is U23, no? So, hindi naman po qualified si Malik sa men's side at saka si Beth sa women's side for this.
Okay, so okay.
Short and sweet.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am Erica, follow up na rin. Meron na po bang coach yung women's 5-on-5 natin?
Wala pa. We'll make the announcement when time is right. Pero right now, we're still interviewing candidates.
Both Filipinos and foreign?
No. So far, lahat ng interview namin are foreign coaches.
Thank you. Kaya, Coach Ryan, isa na lang. Ano lang, 5-on-5, 3x3 naman sa men's side. Any developments, especially medyo naging maganda rin yung performance natin sa Asia.
Oh, the biggest viral story is the one you wrote yesterday. That Cedric Clearfield is interested to join our men's 3x3. So the biggest breakthrough really is the interest level of blue chip players from the PBA to join the 3x3 program. So it is a little bit more complex, revitalizing the men's 3x3. Unlike the system of Coach Anton, wherein there were just minor minor tweaks only for us to get to the level of where we're at right now. For the men's, it's continuously practicing surgery, of course, together with our trainers, Coach Kirk, Coach Patrick Fran, and also Coach JJ Espanola. We're also preparing for the Asian Beach Games. The Asian Beach Games will be our preparation for the Nations League. The majority of the players that we will bring there are under 23 players like Aldous Torpolas, Geno Crisostomo of UST, and also Nico Baniero, who is under 23. We just included one veteran in Jeff Manday. So we're also flying out tomorrow. So if you take a look at the strategy that we have is we are using tournaments to prepare for bigger tournaments that will accumulate points for us. Because after this tournament in the Asian Beach Games, it is already the Nations League under 23. So everything is strategic, everything is not by chance, everything is really prepared for carefully. Yung Asian Beach Games, walang points. But of course, every time you represent your country, you want to be in the podium. But it's also going to be a very tough competition.
In connection to sa tanong ni Sir Jerry, Coach Ryan, does that mean kasi nga with more PBA players getting interested in playing the 3x3, does that mean you will still consider MPBL players? Kasi si Nick kasabi niyan, I think Jeff Manday is also in the MPBL, so do you still consider bringing MPBL players to the 3x3?
Yeah, we don't look at the citizenship of players. If they are meaning whatever tournaments they play under, if they deserve to be in our roster, we'll definitely accommodate them wholeheartedly.
Okay. So thank you very much. Just quick na lang, quick parting shots starting from Mika. What can you promise, okay, as we go to the World Cup?